Well, the COVID-19 cases in Meghalaya is increasing day by day. Now we're here at one of the CRPF camps that is here at Polo Ground, and we're going to find out how is the preparedness for this second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic. As we've witnessed last year in 2020, there was a huge rise. How we have seen armed forces were one of the vulnerable people who have been infected with this virus, and there was a huge cases that had come up from the armed forces. Once again, we're here at Polo to find out and interact with the commandant and find out how is the preparedness for the second wave.
In the wake of rising COVID-19 cases in Meghalaya, a massive vaccination drive has been carried out for the troops of the Central Reserve Police Force in the state. Out of the 1,257 CRPF personnel, 1,049 were administered the vaccine on Tuesday. According to Alok Bhattacharya, commandant of the 67th Battalion of the CRPF, they are better prepared in comparison to 2020.
Right from the beginning, the steps have been taken, and the progress so far has been good. In terms of the basic preparedness, I would like to tell you that the first concern is the state of vaccination in the within our camps and among the personnel. So right now the progress has been very good, and 98% of our personnel have already been vaccinated. The remaining are getting vaccinated very soon. So that's one thing that has been undertaken this year on a war footing. The second point of worry is that there's a lot of movement of our personnel, people going on leave, going outside and coming back from leave, and duties also. So that is a cause of concern. Under the active direction of the local administration, the very strong protocols have been set.
Personnel who are returning from other states are being sent to the quarantine center at Polo Gymnasium Indoor Stadium, which has a capacity for 70 people. After completing 2 weeks in isolation, they are tested and are kept under close observation for another week.
Cases are there in the CRPF, among the CRPF, and are there any severe cases that you're witnessing right now?
No. We have about 20 odd cases right now, and most of them are concerning returnees from outside. People are testing positive. The percentage is very minuscule, and one thing that I can share with you is that, since we are vaccinated, we have not reported any severe case so far. Yes, there are cases, but they're mild in nature, and the level of cure has been also pretty good.
Close to 22 personnel have not been vaccinated due to mismatch in working hours and timing of the vaccination, while others were excluded due to medical reasons. The CRPF hospital at Polo in Shillong has been designated as a vaccination and COVID response center. The center will soon be open for citizens above the age of 18 to come here to get their jab of the vaccine. Infrastructure, however, has been a challenge for the unit, due to which only 4 beds of the 10-bedded hospital are currently being used. However, facilities like oxygen and equipment to conduct rapid antigen tests are in place.
It's actually a 10-bedded hospital, but due to some infrastructure problem, we are just keeping 4 beds here. But as you can see, we have the facilities of this oxygen cylinders. We have facility of keeping some patients of moderate to severe cases also. In the time of crisis, and for that we have already placed the demand of BiPAP machines. We have at least one BiPAP machine if it can be provided from our higher office or from any state authorities. In a time of crisis, we can manage any critical patients like say, if we didn't get beds in the ICU of Negrims or say in the civil hospital for some time, for the time being, it can be managed in this unit MRM. So we have the plan to upgrade this unit MRM.
As mentioned by one of the doctors who's located here in this CRPF camp, right behind me is one of the hospitals that they have. Now he's mentioned that basically they have 10 beds, but because of the lack of infrastructure at the moment they have 4 beds, and they're also looking to procure more of the COVID equipments. And also what the doctor has mentioned is that, in a very good news that we're looking at, is 98% of the CRPF personnel have already received their vaccination, which turns out to be quite a very impressive number. 98% of the personnel from the CRPF here in Meghalaya have already received their vaccination. Now also this camp here also caters to the civilians, as they've received instructions from the state government that they can cater to the public, to the civilians, and they've witnessed that people are now coming forward to take the vaccinations. And also concerning the COVID-19 cases here, at the moment there's over 20 below 25 cases of COVID-19, and these are not severe cases. They are just very not severe cases at all, as mentioned by Dr. Gogoi. This is Princess Rasha for EastMojo.com in Shillong.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to EastMojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.